Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can swap crypto on the Liquidus Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Liquidus Wallet application on your device, and once you have logged in, you will end up within the wallet page. Now from within this page, if you wish to swap any cryptocurrency, then tap on the swap button at the bottom section, and now you can choose from which currency you wish to swap and onto which one. Just tap on the drop-down menu to choose which coin you would like to swap. After you have chosen your coin, you will simply need to enter the amount within the From section. After entering how much amount you would like to swap and choosing the currency from which you would like to swap to, you can just choose your desired target currency. Once you have chosen which currency you would like to swap to, you will see the appropriate amount after the exchange that you will receive. As soon as this is done, you can tap on the swap button and this will swap your currency right away. By using this method, you can change from any cryptocurrency to any other one. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to swap your cryptocurrency on the Liquidus Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.